let's taste how it tastes.
Hi friends! Today is a Black Saturday and the family planned to have a get-together at Tagaytay. Since the family has still errands to finish, we went ahead to have our lunch. And the morning today, we were watching food vlogs and got interested to go to some Tagaytay restaurant recommendations. Join us as we try dining at 3 Tagaytay restaurants. Our first stop will be Pamahaw.
24 minutes more to Pamahaw. So, to our left, ang Pamahaw. Pet Valley. Ayan, after pa pala ng Angel Fields, ang Pamahaw. We're here at Pamahaw. So, we're here at Pamahaw. Ang ganda. Though, it's lunch ngayon, lunch time. So, in-expect namin mainit. Pero, mahangin dito sa loob ng mga kubo. Parang maganda yung draft ng hangin kasi papasok sa loob ng kubo. Lalo na sa side na to. Ayan. Yan o. Ang ganda ng pasok ng hangin. Kaya hindi na nga kami nag-on ng fan kasi may fan din dito sa loob ng kubo. Ito yung fan. Pero on na rin pala. Ayan, so inon na rin namin para at least sure na hindi mainit. Ayan, lalong lumamig. Kaya, ayan, masaya dito sa Pamahaw. And meron pag kailangan nyo ng mag-order or may kailangan pa kayo sa mga servers, may bell. Bell siya. Hi! Ayan yung fan. Ito yung bell. Basta yan, may bell yan. Ayan, yan. Yan yung bell. Yan. Bell, ang taas lang, no? Boneless bangus and bok choy. Ako. Yung mga bata, may masayang mga tao dito. Ayan, meron pala silang buffet. So, buffet is $8.99 per person for adults and $3.99 naman for kids. Tapos meron din silang a la carte if ang type nyo is a la carte, hindi yung buffet. So, kami mag-a la carte lang kasi baka di namin masulit yung, yung buffet. Ayun, tsaka yung son namin baka hindi naman niya ma-maximize, kaya a la carte na lang. Reasonable naman yung prices nila. So, yung pili na kami ngayon. So, we're looking at fish and vegetables. One, yung boneless bangus.
Ano ma'am? Fried? Fried.
Ay, fried. Fried. Ayaw mo ng grilled? Fried na lang. Fried na lang, sige. At spam and egg meal, isang buko fruit shake, tsaka isa nung bok choy. Ilapas bok choy. Yung, tsaka dalawang rice. Yung buko fruit shake. Yung ano nyo, kuya, kung yung buffet nyo na for adult is $8.99, no? And for kids is $3.99. Okay, sige. Pero a la carte na lang pala.
Let's walk around here at Pamahaw. So this is how the Nipa Hut looks like. It is actually really nice. See, it has high ceilings and it even has a fan in case it's really hot. And then let us walk around. Let us see what's over there. So that area, that big building, is actually a pasalubong area. You could also dine in there. I saw some people dining in that area, and you could buy some pasalubongs. And over here, this road is actually also an entrance going to the buffet area.
Single space. Ma'am, dun yung buffet area nyo, no? Doon po sa dulo. Thank you. Yan, so dito kami. Hello! Tao po! Tao po! Hello!
You will see vehicles going out of this road because there's actually a big parking area just beside the buffet area.
Pasalubong area is this way.
Now let's see what's available at the pasalubong area.
Salmon skin. Chicken bituka meron. Chicken pastel.
This is the top view of Pamahaw from the Pasulubong area. As you can see, it is a big area with nipa huts, and there's two parking areas. One to the right side, here this is where we park, and to the left side where the buffet area is.
Hello!
Now let's see the food selection here at the buffet area. It's a good thing that they allowed
Hindi
me
tayo sa
to
buffet.
take some videos of the food here in the buffet area.
Ayan, so ito yung buffet area nila. Ayan. Pumpkin soup, condiments dito. Ayan, pumpkin soup, may arroz caldo, kansi, champorado, steamed rice, garlic, rice, and chicken parmesan.
While browsing through this selection of foods, I realized that this is a really nice place where you could bring your balikbayan friends and families, or even your foreigner friends, because most or almost all of the food selections here are Filipino foods, which are really nice selections, and they even have a balut, which I will show in the next clips. Oh wow, here's the balut. They also have coffee and tea here and dessert. So this is a really nice place where you could dine in with family and friends. But make sure that your stomachs are ready for all of this food selection so you can try most of those. I love this place at the back of the buffet area. It's actually kind of windy here. If it's already, say, around 3 or 4 p.m. in the afternoon, it would be really nice to hang out at the back. And this is the wide parking area that they have here.
Afternoon. Actually, yung mga nasa menu, yun yung halos parang nandun. Parang. Tapos, mga tortang talong, marami. May longganisa, may tortang talong. Pero makumplet siya. May coffee, tapos may dessert. Marami rin. Tapos ang hangin din doon. May gulay, meron ding, may bangus. Marami, as in ang dami. Yan, pwede mag-Indian seat to. Indian seat na ibang mga bahay kuko. Ganda. Tapos meron dun, no, parang doon ka ata mag-order ng mga stuff. Yung mga dumadaan pala dito, yan, mapapuntang buffet. Pero malawak pa yung parking doon. Steamed rice. Maybe, ano to? Okay. Ito yung lapas. Laki pala. For sharing pala.
Balik ko lang na lang po, ma'am.
Spam and egg. Yes. At saka yung buko shake. Buko juice.
Sarap kaya eh.
Yan natin. Parang may ice cream. May buo eh. Harap. Yummy. Spam and egg. Ayan. Thank you. Yeah, spam and egg comes with 2 eggs. Yeah, this one naman is for our son. Spam and egg. Yan ang aming order. Yan, kain tayo. Masarap yung food nila. Sarap yung bangus. ano siya, mukhang fresh kasi hindi siya yung tulad ng mga pre-marinated na nabibili sa grocery. So, kailangan pa ng isaw-saw sa suka and sa toyo. So, nanghingi kami ng kalamansi and sili. Kaya meron kaming sausawan. Yung bok choy, masarap. Sarap siya. Tsaka sulit kasi madami siya for sharing yung bangus. Kaya tama lang na dalawang ulam in-order namin. And syempre yung son namin, separate kasi para sure ball nakakain. Medyo may langaw lang, pero manageable naman. And service-wise, maganda ang service dito. Very responsive and mabilis, kapag may hiningi ka, like yung kalamansi hiningi namin, wala pa atang 5 minutes, nandito na yung kalamansi, ang bilis.
5 minutes, second.
Seconds nga lang pala, seconds lang. Nandito na agad yung ni-request namin kalamansi. And condiments, meron na siya nasa side. Ito, kompleto na. If kailangan nyo ng suka, toyo, patis, yan, kompleto siya. Yan, sa side. Ayan. So, yung kalamansi na lang hihingi. Buko shit. Okay, let's have coffee. Coffee sa mainit na panahon. Pero considering yung temperature ngayon is 32 degrees Celsius, hindi siya mainit No? Pero 32 degrees ang temperature Yan So, total bill is 1,677.5. Okay, the service charge is 10%. Nantayin lang natin yung terminal kasi pwede magbayad dito ng card. Ayan, so nag-pay kami via card. You can request for the terminal na dalhin sa Kubo. Ako, rating ko, for me, based sa expectations ko, kasi I was expecting it to be very humid and hot while eating, yung pinagpapawisan levels. Since hindi, I will rate it 5/5 for me. Even the food. Walang disappointment sa food. Wala, di ba?
Very fresh.
Oo. Ikaw, anong rating mo ba? Ikaw ba?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. So, hindi siya over 5. 8 out of 10. Kung over 5?
Before,
Ayun. So, 4 ako 5. If babalik, yes, babalik.
Bring a boy recommend.
Yay! Love, mama, love. Uy, may manok ko. Ayan. Provincia Feels, may manok. Yay!
Kulang na daw siya sa veggies ngayon.
Kailangan daw niya mag-veggies. Boneless bangus is 480, spam and egg meal is 315, the pasta batcho is 420. 2 steamed rice is 100, so 50 each, and buko fruit shake is 210. That's before service charge, so 10 plus 10% service charge, total is 1,677.5. Ayan, so this is the aftermath. Naubos naman namin yung bangus. Konti na yung natira sa batchoy. Yung spam din naubos ng son namin, so tinik out na namin. Sayang naman. Ayan, so hang out lang kayo. Our next stop would be Perlas ng Silang. Heading to Perlas ng Silang, coming from Pamahaw. So, meet namin ang family doon. Sila naman na magla-lunch. And kami, hangout lang. And maybe, medyo tanghaling tapat pa So, baka, mahirap pa maglibot-libot doon. Pero, tignan natin kung medyo may shade ba. And pwede maglakad-lakad para pababa ng kinain. Mabilis lang. I think, mga 12 minutes away lang siya from Pamahaw. And kailangan nyo lang gumamit ng navigation apps para to make sure that you won't lose the turn. Ayan, ito yung itsura. Medyo, ayan, nadaanan yung mga ganyan. Dale Lure, Executive Homes, tapos medyo ganito yung itsura ng daan. Ayan, hindi na siyang main road ng Tagaytay. Ayan, sa Barangay Ulat siya. Barangay Ulat, tama. Ayan, Barangay Ulat. So that's where we are now. And we'll see you later sa Perlas ng Silang. Ayan, Perlas ng Silang, oh. Kita mo, ayan, oh. Perlas ng Silang. Ayan, yan ata yung eskinita. Ayun, kaya merong ganyan. Kasi dito pala. Yan. So, medyo katabi siya nung Maharlika Homes and Esquinita Part. Ang Perlas ng Silang coming from Pamahaw.
So we already have arrived here at Perlas ng Silang. Parking though is quite challenging. We already have passed through 2 parking areas and we were able to park at the third one I think about 200 meters or about 100 I think from Perlas ng Silang. So it was okay, but it's just that it's really hot because this is I think 2 p.m. and we have to walk from the parking area to Perlas ng Silang. But it's a good thing that we have our umbrellas with us. So our advice is, if you're also going to Perlas ng Silang, you bring your umbrellas if you are going for lunch. So I'm now in line to register because before we are able to dine in and even go to that big garden, we have to register first.
Ayun, so failed ang ating Perlas ng Silang kasi nag-cut off na sila sa lunch and apparently naubusan kasi sila ng tubig, kaya yun, hindi na kami nakapasok sa Perlas ng Silang. And pwede pa naman ang viewing, kaso lang isip namin kasi medyo mainit kaya hindi na rin kami tumuloy. So lipat na lang kami sa Lime and Basil. So doon kami mag-early dinner later. So we have a reservation at 6 p.m. And doon pala sa Perlas ng Silang, nakasabi man doon na cash only, they accept GCash naman, nakalagay sa kanilang cashier. So ayun, so pwedeng GCash. So just so you know. Dito, like I said, medyo eskinita, kaya magbigayan kasi this is a two-way road pero sobrang sikip ng daan. So buti may nakabantay naman para mag-moderate ng traffic. Ayun, sa viewing pala, you'll need to register. So actually, before kayo mag-dine in, you'll be asked to register. So ang viewing has a fee. Meron naman silang discount sa PWD, sa senior citizens, and iba rin yung rate, I think, sa child tsaka sa adult. So hindi ko na na-catch kasi yung cost, but hundreds naman siya, parang below 200 naman yung mga rates per person. So ayun, mukhang sulit naman yung kanilang garden if gusto nyo mag-viewing. Yun lang, huwag nyo tapatan ng medyo tanghali kasi sobrang init talaga. As in, lahat ng tao nakapayong. And at the same time, since medyo malayo yung parking, init talaga. Kaya when you're going here sa Perlas ng Silang ng tanghali, always make sure to bring your umbrellas. So yun lang. So see you later.
Yan, so we're now here at St. Lourdes Parish.
May kayo na pala A&T, oh. Oo nga, yan, A&T Sweet Hams. Yan, may kayo na pala dito sa simbahan.
May ganda yung
Oo. Ayan, so dumaan na kami sa Our Lady of Lourdes Parish. Yun. Pero hindi na kami nakapasok sa church kasi sarado since it's a Black Saturday today, and I think they'll have mass at 8 p.m. later. So later pa i-open ang church and they're already preparing for the Easter Sunday activities tomorrow. Ayun, so now we are heading to Lime and Basil. Ayan, so it's palayo pa siya from where we are at. Ayan, so 18 minutes away siya from, yung Lime and Basil is 18 minutes away from Our Lady of Lourdes Parish. Yan, so dire-diretso lang. Yan, and our destination will be to our right. Yan, ito yung bag of beans. On the way din siya. So, ang haba ng pila pa uwi. Welcome to Alfonso. Okay. Let's see. Turn right and then our destination is to our right. I'm Basil. Yan. Antay lang tayo sa parking. Galing, CCTV nasa taas. Here's our pad thai. Wow, looks delicious. Ayan, so that's tom yum. Looks yummy. Describe the Ayan, so let's taste the pad thai. Ito ay hindi chicken. This one is, anong tawag dito? Ayan, mix natin siya lahat. Ayan. So this has noodles, bean sprouts, and onion leeks. Onion leeks or may mukhang onion leeks. And it has tofu, and it has shrimp. And later on, looks like our little boy is excited to eat the pad thai. No? No? It looks yummy, Mama. Let's try. Can you finish mixing it? Yan. So, mix lang tayo. Until it's all mixed up. Then, let's put lime. It looks like it's grated lime. Let's squeeze the lime. Tagal mag-mix. O, titikman ko na. And then, let's taste how it tastes. Okay. May peanuts. Peanuts all around. Sarap. Best pad thai I've tasted so far. Phone ka? Sinong pipicture? Si Kuya magpipicture?
Kuya. Galing kuya para.
Ito tayo na lang. That is the skewers. Pork and chicken skewers, ma'am. Ano lasang yung apple rice. Let's taste. Harap. Pineapple rice. Yun pa rin yung lasa niya. Let's taste tom yum. Asim.
Simple lang.
Masarap. Ano siya? Lasa siyang tomato soup na may tanglad. Ayan. So, the whole pad thai plate is with me. Let's see kung maubos natin. Tap. Tap talaga. Yan. So, this is...
Describe this one. It looks like?
Lava.
Oh, it looks like lava. Why do you think it looks like lava?
Because it's a bit orange and a bit red.
Oh, okay. That's a nice description of the spring rolls.
I got the last one. Let's eat again. The spring rolls. Looks yummy. Up. Ayan. So, yun. Kanina, yung spring roll na tikman ko, it's really good. Matitikman mo dun yung coriander. So good. I think super legit siya na Thai restaurant talaga. Kasi like even the pad thai, masarap talaga. Yan. So, let's taste pad krapao naman. Yan. Tara. Pad krapao. Yan.
Balls.
Daming sili.
Oo, masarap yun.
Bumili kami ng fresh na hipon yung may shell.
Oo.
Galing.
Hop. May nalagay na sawasti. Sawasti. And let's taste the green mango salad. And that.
Sorry.
What? Hindi. Asim. Asim maanghang.
Siyempre, green mango.
Asim maanghang. Okay na, sarap naman. Nalaglag na yung placemat. Anong nangyari? Hello! Ang ganda yung naka-flower, no?
Oo.
Pwede.
Saan? Sa lahat?
Oo.
Ayan.
Ay, video na.
Wow! Ang galing bulaklak yung ano, yung mango niya. Wow! Looks yummy. May bulaklak po. May pabulaklak. Kinakain din kaya yan. Nice! Oh, masarap. Sarap ko yan. Let's taste.
Talaga sa Thailand.
Sarap man, no? Pag Thailand.
Thailand din. Ibang tawag Thailand.
Harap. Mainit-init pa yung ano. Tamis yung mango.
This concludes our day with the family in Tagaytay. We hope you liked our vlog and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!